is a yoga instructor and a social media manager who is getting ready to tie the knot with her fiance, Jake. Sarah is a really active girl. She loves the outdoors and doing yoga, but for her bridal shower, she wants to show her softer side, which is where I come in. So we bought the dress, we have the hairstyles nailed, and now it's time for the makeup and giving her a picture-perfect look to help enhance her natural beauty. So tell me a little bit about what kind of a makeup look you're looking for and also what kind of makeup you're used to wearing.
Yeah, so I'm used to wearing hardly any makeup at all. I usually throw on mascara and maybe a little bit of lip gloss, but I'm really excited to try something new for my bridal shower. I want something more romantic, step it up a little bit.
Before we do anything, we are going to start with primer. Primer is essential just to make sure that you are going to stay matte and even complexion. Everything's going to stay on your face when I put it on. This is a brightening one. So this one is going to add that glowiness to your skin, but not make you look oily in any way.
Perfect, that's what I want.
Now we're going to go in with foundation.
Foundation is something that has always kind of just terrified me. The idea of painting my face or covering up any of my beauty marks is something that I'm really not into.
I was expecting this to feel heavier than it does on my face, and it doesn't feel that heavy.
It's like watery almost.
Yeah, it is.
Very light.
The theme for our wedding and all of the events leading up to it are really centered around a rustic bohemian feel. I really want to look amazing in all of the photos from these events, but I don't want to look overdone.
So I know you hate foundation, so I'm just gonna show you. See?
Oh yeah, it looks way more natural than I was expecting. I've worn it before, and clearly I was wearing it wrong, where it really just covers all the marks on my face, and I hate that because I kind of love those.
I love them too. We want to make sure that you look still super natural, it's still you, and we're just enhancing. So now we're gonna go in with a contour, and we're gonna be using a creamy contour stick. This is a matte formula. You wanna make sure you're choosing a matte formula when you're doing contour because you don't want like glittery streaks on your face.
I don't think I'm into that.
No, that's not really a look we're going for.
I've seen some serious contouring fails on the internet, so I just avoid it altogether because I don't want to end up looking like that.
So it's gonna look a little crazy at first. You're like, Rachel, what are you doing to my face? But once you blend it out, then it looks totally awesome. So we're creating a contour in here just because we lose a lot of that definition in photos. And this is just gonna create shadows where we wanna create shadows, and then we're gonna go back in with highlight and see that beautiful glow. It's like a really light.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's so pretty.
You always want to highlight the inner corners of the eye and right under the brow. That just makes your whole eyes pop. Now we're just going to be adding a black liner just along the upper lash line. I know, this is all new territory for you. Doesn't she look so pretty? So now the fun part, lashes. These are just gonna make your eyes look really big, really bold, really voluminous, and it looks really nice and natural on camera still.
If I'm doing it, I might as well do it all the way.
Yeah, you gotta do the lashes.
Yeah.
When you're gonna go all out with makeup, you gotta do lashes. So I'm just dipping the lashes entirely in the glue, and then I'm just gonna let them dry a little bit. You want them to be tacky, not wet. Okay, open your eyes. So glamorous. Now we're gonna go in with a lip pencil just to fill in your entire lip. That's gonna make sure that you have that color on your lips full time, and then we're gonna go in with a gloss that's a very similar color to this. We're basically doing your lips but better is the best way I can describe it. You have beautiful brows, so I'm really excited about that.
I do love my brows.
Do you love your brows?
Yeah.
Good, because you should. Amazing.
When I was young, I did what most girls do, which is pluck their eyebrows like crazy. And finally I did, start growing them back in.
They're beautiful. And it's
I
such like a
love
big thing now. I have the big, beautiful, luscious brows. You should always add more blush than you think you need when you know you're having your picture taken, because otherwise you tend to look washed out, and it just brings this glow to your face, which looks so natural and beautiful in photos. All right, are you ready to see your final look?
Yes, I'm so excited.
Close your eyes. And open.
Oh my God. Oh, I love these lashes.
They look gorgeous on you.
They're awesome.
Just your eyes are like, pow.
I love it.
Beautiful.
It's really exactly what I was looking for. I was really nervous about wearing more makeup than I'm used to, and it totally still looks like me. I can't wait for everybody to see it. I think they are gonna be so surprised.
Okay, ready? You're a model. You're a model.
I'm ready to Vogue.
Smiling, smiling.
Sarah was gorgeous before, but now she's positively glowing. Don't miss the next episode where we're gonna reveal Sarah's final look. I am so excited for you guys to see it, and we have a huge surprise that I cannot wait for everyone to see, so stay tuned.